This boat is completely trailerable. This boat can go anywhere. She rides in the water great, but she's easy to move. She's also, you know, as an express cruiser, this used to be one of the most popular styles boats out there. And most manufacturers just don't have the bandwidth to be able to do both the enclosed with Regal, the 36XO, and the other XO versions of the boat, and still make an express cruiser. So the boats, the Monterey's, the Chaparrals, the Sea Rays of the world, they just don't make a boat like this. So if, like me, you happen to be a motorcycle enthusiast, a wind-in-the-face enthusiast, this is what boating is all about to an awful lot of people, me included. Our outdoor galley